Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use anchors inside of Editor X. In the classic editor, you would go to Add, Menu, Anchors, and drag out an anchor element just like this, and then you can name it to whatever you want. And then in the menu, you could add an anchor, or you could add a button and link this to the anchor, just like that. However, in Editor X, it's a little bit different. With Editor X, you can click on a section or a container or a picture or just about anything. Then you can come over to the inspector, go down to Anchor, and turn on the anchor. Then you can name this section or picture or whatever element you have to whatever you want. And then let's go ahead and pull out 3 buttons. And then we can just link these buttons to anchors. So now when we preview the site and press white, it's going to take us to the white section, gray is going to take us to gray, and black is going to take us to black. But I really love in Editor X that you can add an anchor to images. You can also add it to container boxes. You can even add them to galleries like this one. You can basically add them to any element that you want, which is really cool. But that basically wraps it up for the video today. If you did learn something, please press that subscribe button and like the video to help out the channel. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one.